Welcome back to my channel, Wellness by Zainab. Have you ever noticed how chopping vegetables, stirring soup, or baking something warm can instantly calm your mind? You're not imagining it. Cooking can actually be a form of therapy. Today, we'll explore kitchen therapy, my favorite recipes for relaxation, where I'll show you how simple, nourishing recipes can help you reduce stress naturally. Feel grounded and mindful. Reconnect with the joy of cooking by the end of this video. You'll know exactly how to turn your kitchen into your calm corner, not just a place for food, but for healing. So, let's dive in. Why this topic matters. Let's start with why kitchen therapy even matters. Quick fact: studies show that cooking and baking can reduce anxiety and improve mood by giving you a sense of control, creativity, and accomplishment. Common struggle. Most people see cooking as a chore, something to rush through after a long day, instead of a moment to unwind and recharge. Empowerment. When you shift your mindset and see cooking as self-care, you turn an everyday task into something healing for your mind and body. Reflective question: have you ever cooked something and instantly felt calmer or happier afterward? Key concept 1: the mindful cooking connection first. Let's talk about the power of mindful cooking. When you slow down, notice the colors of your veggies, the smell of herbs, the rhythm of chopping, you naturally enter a meditative state. Example: think about making herbal tea. As you boil water and watch the steam rise, it's almost like a breathing exercise. Strategy: turn off distractions, no phone or TV. Focus on your senses, smell, texture, sound. Treat cooking as you time, not a to-do list. Reflective question: how often do you cook without multitasking or rushing? Key concept 2: comfort recipes that calm the mind. The second piece of kitchen therapy is comfort food made healthy. People often turn to fried or sugary foods for comfort, but real comfort comes from nourishment, not numbness. My go-to calming recipes: a warm bowl of lentil soup, grounding and rich in magnesium for relaxation. Banana note muffins, slightly sweet, packed with fiber, and perfect with tea. Herbal infusions like chamomile or peppermint, gentle for digestion and mind. Nutrition fact: magnesium-rich foods like oats, spinach, and lentils help your muscles relax and calm the nervous system. Reflective question: what's your personal comfort meal that makes you feel safe and cozy? Key concept 3: cooking as creative expression. Finally, let's talk about creativity in the kitchen, one of the most healing parts of cooking. When you play with colors, textures, and flavors, your brain releases dopamine, the feel-good hormone. Example: try making a colorful bowl quinoa, roasted veggies, chickpeas, and a drizzle of tahini. It looks beautiful, tastes amazing, and gives you a creative boost. Strategy: don't stress about perfection, focus on expression. Try one new ingredient each week. Plate your food beautifully. It boosts your mood. Reflective question: what's one ingredient you've always wanted to try but never did? Practical application: my relaxation routine in the kitchen now. let's bring this all together into a simple, real-life kitchen therapy routine. Step 1. Light a candle or play soft music. Step 2. Prep ingredients slowly. Enjoy the process. Step 3. Cook one of my relaxing recipes like warm lentil soup or banana oat muffins. Step 4. Sit down, eat mindfully, and breathe. This routine isn't just about eating, it's about reconnecting with yourself. Reflective question: could you try one mindful cooking night this week? Recap and takeaways. Let's recap what we learned today. Mindful cooking helps you slow down and find peace. Comfort recipes can be nourishing and calming at the same time. Creative cooking boosts happiness and expression. Takeaway: cooking isn't just about food, it's self-care in action. Small, consistent rituals in your kitchen can truly change how you feel. Reflective thought: which part of kitchen therapy will you start with this week? Thank you so much for spending time with me here at Wellness by Zainab. Remember, nutrition isn't about restriction, it's about balance, love, and mindful choices that help you thrive. If this video brought you calm or inspired you to cook with more love, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And before you go, tell me in the comments, what's one dish that always relaxes you when you cook it?